Hey guys, Chris here. You're probably wondering why I'm holding this really cool looking axe. Well, it's really cool looking. That's pretty much the short of it. I won it at the Old Dominion C10 rally a few weeks ago. It's made out of a camshaft and a brake rotor off of like a motorcycle or something. Super cool looking though. Probably one of the coolest things I got, honestly. But it represents something else cool, and that is trucks, right? Camshaft might have come out of a car, but who cares? Nonetheless, I want to invite you to follow my new channel, Signature Series Rigs. Check it out. We're going to be doing truck revivals, basically like resurrections, GMT 800 platforms, you know, 99 to 2006, 2007 GM, and some newer ones and some Dodges. You know, we'll throw in a Toyota there, here and there, a little bit of everything. But nonetheless, the idea of it's going to be mainly trucks and SUVs. We're going to bring them back to their glory. They're going to look good, they're going to drive good, they're going to be ready to go. So follow the channel. Might be something interesting to you, might not be. Some ASMR, I don't know. I'm not a YouTuber yet, so bear with me. Here we go.